The X-Shop GPS Drone X900 features a UHD camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and 90-degree adjustable support, allowing for stunning 4K video recording and photos. Equipped with a GPS system, the X-Shop GPS Drone X900 ensures safe operation by automatically returning when the battery is low or if flight issues arise. With 2 rechargeable batteries, this drone offers up to 50 minutes of flight time, and its brushless motors ensure higher speeds and stability even in windy conditions. The X-Shop GPS Drone X900 is beginner-friendly, featuring a beginner mode, 3-speed switching, 1-key takeoff, 1-key return, and altitude hold functions. Designed for convenience, the drone is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams, and it comes with a carrying case for easy transport. The foldable arms of the X-Shop GPS Drone X900 make it even more portable, and it includes extra propellers for added reliability.